Welcome to the third video on this YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a this is Brian's bake. This is Ryan's mech. Ryan's mech versus James's speed car. Hope you like it. Hope you like this, because this is the third one. I made it a couple whiles ago. And let's get straight in to the mech. That is the mech there. It's really nice. It's an accurate me. I'm gonna put a little closer up there. It's a lovely day to walk down the road. If I stop thinking I will explode. We're gonna look at him, and he's very nice. He's a very nice guy. He's a very nice me. But I think let's talk about the mech. It's a really good mech. It's got some of the new mech fingers. Nice legs, the nice. Try to make it actually look like shoes. Both sides. White pants. This thing, which is supposed to be a lightning transducer. Sorry, it's my brother. Daniel!
What?
Leave!
No.
I'm filming a YouTube video.
Cool.
Leave!
Well, I wanted to print something.
Okay, fine, go print it, but don't talk. Back to the YouTube video. I'm sorry, guys, for the interruption. But we're gonna get back. Daniel, don't walk into the frame. I haven't done a face reveal yet. I haven't done a face reveal yet, Daniel, so don't walk in the frame.
Okay.
And a little sword for him. This is supposed to be a lightning shuriken that I can hold on to. And I think that's all I need to say about this. You already shown me my minifigure. Put you over here. This is James. Ignore the noise. Ignore the noise. So this is James's car. Again, ignore the noise. Daniel, shut it off.
No, I'm good.
I thought when you meant by print, you meant an actual print. Like actually print. You meant the actual printer. Okay, back to the video. This is James' speed car. It's got nice big boosters. The big engine. This little front, this little front hump I can take off. Really nice there. Windshield. Use little chair. And then not much to talk about this. So let's move on to the minifigure. It's supposed to be like an escaped convict. He's got a nice white mustache, nice white pants, and a white prison outfit, which I really like. This from a minifigure series minifigure. He faced from another minifigure series minifigure. And this hairpiece from, I think, Avatar J, Ninjago. So, there we go. Thank you all for watching this video, and have a nice Christmas. This is the last one I'm filming until after Christmas. And goodbye, and Merry Christmas again. Thank you for the, I think it's still 9 people who watched my video, watched the first video. I'm really thankful for you, and goodbye.